Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the latest news and rumors regarding the Realme 11 series. As per the recent leaks, Realme is gearing up to introduce the Realme 11, Realme 11 Pro, and Realme 11 Pro Plus in China. These smartphones are said to be packed with some amazing features and specs. So, let's get started and find out what's in store for us. According to the latest reports, the Realme 11 Pro and Realme 11 Pro Plus will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7000 series chipset. Although, it is not clear which exact chipset the phones will feature, but it is rumored to be a new chipset that will be unveiled soon by MediaTek. One of the most exciting features of the Realme 11 Pro Plus is the camera setup. As per the leaks, the phone will feature a 200MP primary camera sensor, which is going to be a Samsung ISOCELL HPX sensor. Additionally, the phone will sport a 120Hz curved AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The phone will be powered by a 4680 mAh dual-cell battery that supports 100W fast charging. On the other hand, the Realme 11 Pro will feature a similar display to its elder sibling, the Realme 11 Pro Plus. It is said to come in a leather finish and will be available in a green color option. The phone will be powered by a 4780 mAh battery unit and will support 67W fast charging technology. The phone will also feature a triple rear camera setup with a 100MP primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. Conclusion. So, that's all we have for now regarding the upcoming Realme 11 series. We are really excited about the MediaTek Dimensity 7000 series chipset and the camera setup of the Realme 11 Pro Plus. It will be interesting to see how Realme manages to pack all these features in one smartphone. What do you think about the Realme 11 series? Do let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting updates.